If you're considering ClearLizard for your business, there are 7 things you need to know before making a decision. ClearLizard is a powerful product, but before you jump in, let's compare it to its competitors and see if it truly stands out. Stick around till the end because I'll show you exactly how to get the best deal, and you can try it out for free from the link in the description below. But first, let's dive into what makes this software different. First thing you'll notice about ClearLizard is its focus on streamlining inventory and asset management. While competitors like Asset Panda or Zoho Inventory offer similar features, ClearLizard excels with its intuitive interface that's simple to set up and use. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. In fact, this is one of its biggest selling points. A clean user experience that helps you get right to tracking your assets without a learning curve. In my experience, this is a big time saver for small to medium-sized businesses, where every minute counts. Next thing to consider is how it handles real-time data tracking. Unlike traditional inventory systems that require manual updates or complex integrations, ClearLizard updates your asset tracking automatically. This is especially useful if you're dealing with large amounts of assets across multiple locations. In comparison, while competitors may have real-time features, they often come with extra costs or require complex configurations. ClearLizard integrates seamlessly, making asset tracking easier without adding hidden fees. The third thing worth mentioning is its mobile accessibility. ClearLizard has a robust mobile app that allows you to manage assets on the go, whether you're at a remote site or in the field. When compared to other inventory management tools that only offer limited functionality on mobile, ClearLizard provides full access to its features, from barcode scanning to generating reports. This makes it highly effective for businesses that need flexibility and the ability to work in multiple environments. The fourth thing you need to know is how it tackles reporting and analytics. ClearLizard provides comprehensive reporting tools that give you deep insights into asset usage, value depreciation, and more. It stands out by providing detailed, customizable reports that you can export to various formats, which is not always the case with competitors like Zoho or Asset Panda. In my experience, having this level of detail is incredibly helpful when it comes to budgeting or audits. Another point to consider is its security features. With ClearLizard, you're getting enterprise-grade security to protect sensitive data. Whether it's user authentication or encryption of asset data, ClearLizard ensures your information is safe. While other products in the market may offer basic security options, ClearLizard's more advanced measures make it a reliable choice for businesses that handle high-value assets. Next thing you need to know is the integration with other software. One of ClearLizard's strengths is its ability to connect with other systems like QuickBooks and various CRM software. Unlike some competitors that limit their integrations or charge extra for them, ClearLizard offers a more open approach, which helps you streamline your business operations and avoid the hassle of switching between different tools. Finally, let's talk about customer support. ClearLizard has an excellent reputation for customer service, with responsive support teams and a range of self-help resources available. While competitors like Asset Panda may offer support, ClearLizard is known for providing more personalized assistance, making it easier to get the help you need quickly, especially during critical times when you can't afford downtime. So if you're considering ClearLizard, remember that it's a powerful, flexible tool with a lot to offer. From its user-friendly interface to its detailed reporting and excellent mobile app, it stands out in the crowded asset management space. Plus, if you want to try ClearLizard for yourself and get some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description for the best free trial available. Don't miss out on a chance to simplify your asset tracking process today.